You are now watching KG Channel. Hello and welcome back. Ito na po ang mga maiinit na balita. Spill the tea. Sa wakas, Catherine Bernardo at James Reid ibinahagi na sa publiko na magsasama sila sa isang teleserye project. Kung matatandaan noon, sa interview ni James Reid kay Miss Karen Davila, nabanggit ni James Reid noon na may gagawin siyang teleserye project, parte ito ng kanyang pagbabalik sa pag-arte. Sinabi ni James noon na hindi pa niya ito pwedeng sabihin. Pero itong mga nakaraang araw ay nagulat ang mga fans ni Catherine Bernardo at James Reid nang ibalitang magsasama ang Katrade sa isang teleserye. Maraming mga abangers, lalong-lalo na ang mga fans ni Catherine at James sa balitang ito. It turns out, a decade of fandom divides can be undone with a single casting announcement. Matapos ang mga taon na malayo sa spotlight, inamin ni James Reid na medyo kinakabahan. At the same time, excited siya sa kanyang pagbabalik sa telebisyon. Lalo pa, si Catherine Bernardo umano ang makaksama niya sa proyekto. Sabi ni James Reid, "I'm very excited and very blessed. Grabe yung support. And it hasn't even started shooting yet, so I'm very grateful. And I can't wait to work with Kath. Very excited. Yeah, it's something new and exciting." Dagdag pa ni James, "Actually, it's something that I've wanted to do for a while. So I'm very grateful I get to work with Catherine. She's extremely talented, so it should be great." Sinabi din ni James na medyo mataas ang pressure sa kanya sa pagbabalik niya sa showbiz dahil medyo namahinga siya ng ilang taon. At 7 taon din ang huling teleserya na ginawa niya. "It's very new again. I'm still getting used to it. There's always pressure, but pressure is good. It means people have high expectations. It means everyone's very excited." Habang ang mga detalye tungkol sa proyekto ng Dreamscape Entertainment ay nananatiling sikreto ni James para mas maging excited pa ang mga tagahanga ng dalawa. "It's something we're going to work out along the way. It's very exciting. It's my first time working with another leading lady. So I'm trying to just give it my best, give it my all, and then see what happens. Hope for the best," he added. Samantala, nilinaw naman ni Catherine Bernardo na hindi ito love team, kundi partnership ang tawag niya dito. "It's not a love team and all. It's more of a partnership," saad ni Catherine. Ang huling teleserye na ginawa ni Catherine ay 3 taon na ang nakakaraan, ang Too Good to Be True, kasama ang ex-boyfriend niyang si Daniel Padilla. "I'm glad because everyone's excited. It's been a long time since my last TV series. And also with James. Very refreshing. This series is something to watch out for," dagdag ni Catherine. Catherine Bernardo said it took plenty of story pitches before she agreed to do the upcoming TV series. "I considered a lot of things, just like my other projects. Whether it's a TV series or a movie, I do what feels right. Out of all the stories that they have presented, this is something that I want to do because it's not just a love story. It's about friendship, family, and it's about women," sabi ni Catherine. Ayon kay Catherine, na ngayon lang niya ulit nakausap si James. Pagkalipas ng mahabang panahon, "It was my first time to talk to him that long and to get to know him. We're still getting used to each other. But definitely, he's also very excited. And we'll start taping very very soon," pagbabahagi ni Catherine. Samantala, maraming fans ang na-excite sa balitang ito dahil magkakatambal ang kanilang iniidolo. Hindi nila umano ito nakitang mangyayari o inaasahang mangyayari. At tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga fans na sa wakas ay bago ito sa kanilang mata at excited na mapanood ito. Ayon naman kay James Reid at Catherine Bernardo ay malapit na silang mag-taping at pinaghahandaan ito ng dalawa para sa kanilang mga tagahanga. Ikaw excited ka rin ba sa bagong teleserye ni Catherine at James? Ano ang masasabi mo dito?